What's up, guys? Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing a ride along with this crazy guy.
Yeah. So, what's up? Dustin Jones, and we're finna take him for the ride of his life.
Hell yeah. So thanks Can-Am for helping us out with this and Badlands for giving it away. And we're gonna get the shit scared out of us. So join along, let's follow along, and let's have some fun.
Come back and give it a rip. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I mean, you can't stop me from having fun, though.
No. Just gotta find your yes man.
Yeah. Yeah, there's gonna be all this rock come off for a minute, so just brace yourself for that. Sweet little tractor there.
Hell yeah. Not back here.
Neither do I.
If I was in the Bronco right now, I would have my brain splattered all over the roof.
You ain't really made no noise yet. Ain't hardly made a sound.
I'm good on that too.
Yeah. I grew up mud riding in Louisiana. I try not to get muddy unless I got to.
I feel that.
Let's calm down for a second. Just chill out for a minute.
mouth one again, I'm just gonna park it.
She just won't hold on, huh? Good?
Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it for right now.
Okay. I'm gonna do this wrong. Oh, there's that tunnel over there.
Yeah, that's the tubes right there.
Have you been through there?
Oh yeah.
You have? Oh, we skipped right over that.
Yeah, you did.
I thought we was gonna go nose down in that bad boy.
Yeah, you were going fast enough. It did. You're like Jesus walking across water.
We legit just skimmed across it. That was almost bad. I thought that was gonna be a kicker. One section. Man out here on an e-bike? Okay. That would tear up a car right there. Yeah, that would for real tear some things up. Yeah, that was a good corner. I feel like that was one of those. Where we are.
We're going back by the tubes now.
We are?
Let's go back towards it.
Where's that?
The tubes are right up here.
Got it. You got motion sickness yet?
Getting there.
What?
It's not getting there.
Are you serious? Down to the woods?
I don't even know.
You tell me which way is back. I don't even know which way to go.
To go back?
Yeah.
Back out. Yeah, cut down and there's that main drag right there. Head back this way.
Right?
Yep. Back this way.
Okay.
And then right through this way.
Okay. I feel like this is where we came from.
Alright, so once we get into this opening, the gates are right up those dunes.
Yep.
That'll point you right towards the driver's lounge area. That's where the gate to get back out is.
Got it.
And then the long jump is right over there.
Okay, okay. That looks familiar.
That's the gate right there.
Is it this circle that got you? Racers only. What kind of? Oh, is that
This
Bender
is
Road?
for 4 cars.
Oh, perfect. We're racers now, and you're my co-driver.
There we go. Woo!
Did you get a little bit of motion sickness?
There was moments where I thought I was gonna yak, but only because the food went. We came over a drop, and the food came all the way up to the top.
It was right there at the edge.
Yeah, you're like, oh, this is it. I'm gonna puke on camera.
Oh man, I freaking wish you would have, dude. Gosh dang it, that would have been perfect. Nothing, literally nothing would have made me happier than if you threw up on camera.
It was real close.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Woo. That was the wildest ride I've ever been on.
That was super fun,
That was rad.
Usually when I do rides, I'm like, it was alright. That was freaking fun to me. I was having a big time. Where they went, let's see. Must be at the Can-Am booth. Yeah, usually rides, I'm like, man, that was alright. That was freaking fun, dude.
I honestly didn't know these things could go that fast.
Don't they rip?